Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. It has been quite some time. I've been going through the motions, going through some shit, and I needed to just step away from making videos and just focus on myself. But I'm back, I'm here now, and I am coming to you guys with a video that I have been wanting to do for a while now. It is the I tried following a blank makeup tutorial, and I'm going to be doing it, but your girl is throwing a twist on it, and she's going to be doing it with a little bit of alcohol in her system. So if you want to see what goes down in this video, go ahead and keep watching, and do not forget to subscribe if you are not already, and let's go ahead and get started. I don't know why I'm doing this, but here we are doing it. Ooh. I'm sure you guys already saw by the title of the video, but I'm going to be following a SARAHY DELAROSA tutorial. I'm sorry if I just butchered her name. I cannot pronounce her name at all. But I'm going to be doing one of her tutorials, so if you guys want to see how this goes, just keep watching. Pause, we're going to take an intermission. Ooh. Don't mind me. I'm a girl when it comes to drinking, so literally I'm a girl, but whatever. I already moisturized, did my eyebrows off camera because I don't have time to be doing all that drunk.
Really recommend this Milani Primer Shield Face Primer.
I don't have the Shield one.
Face Primer. It's so good. It's important in
my I don't have the Shield one, but I have the Perfection Milani one, so I'm going to go ahead and take this.
I'm going to apply this on my forehead, the bridge of my nose, so I get like
forehead.
This is actually not a drugstore. Well, you can find it at Ulta, and it's very inexpensive. It's only $7. You guys know that I love my Mario Badescu facial spray.
Whoa.
This is like my favorite.
Give me a second here. Let me catch up. Let me just rub this all in. And don't mind me. This doesn't match because your girl self-tanned. So just wait till the end. I feel like I should set it up to where it's like every time she does this, I take a shot, but like I feel like I'm gonna pick something that she says every 30 seconds, and then your girl's gonna be blacked the fuck out by the end of the video. And I'm trying to get litty with y'all, but I'm not trying to do all that, you know?
You guys know that I love my Mario Badescu facial spray. This is like my favorite thing in the world.
I love this shit.
The one brush and just massage it into my skin to
also doing all that.
Now for foundation, and you want a foundation that is going to last, that it's your ride or die, that it's just you can count on that foundation. Wet n Wild's Photo Focus Foundation. I actually prefer this foundation over my high-end foundations, and that is crazy to say. I
had to call for reinforcements because there was only a little bit left of my other one, so here we are. This, mom and dad, if you're watching this, don't watch this. Just stop watching. I know I'm a disappointment. I can't even talk. No, I can't even get it open. It's already serious. Oh, fuck. It's already been 10 minutes, and I haven't done anything. We're just going right in. I'm not really sure if this is my shade anymore, but you know, we're here, we're doing it. You know, this is a learning experience because I know when I record videos, I cut half this shit out, so I'm trying to follow her all at the same time, like she going too fast. I'm just gonna go into this next one.
So now I'm just gonna be blending it with this L'Oreal Beauty Blender. This is actually new. I've never tried it before.
Oh, she's mixing in a darker shade, but I don't have a darker shade in this one, so. Full disclosure, like, I am not telling all y'all underage people to make this a trend. If you're not 21, don't be doing all this. I don't need that. We don't need that. If you're gonna drink, don't put it on the internet if you're not of age. Okay? Thanks. Thank you. We don't got all that, so we're gonna just go with what we got in this vicinity, okay? And what I got Is it? I feel like this is not light
I'm
enough.
also going to be using this as a eyelid primer for my eyeshadows.
Whoa. Chill,
So now
chill.
I'm
We're gonna go in with the lighter shade because this is not light enough. She clearly is trying to highlight her life away, and I need to do that too. So I'm gonna use my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer because I don't have that Physician Formula one. So we're just gonna blend that out. I'm concerned because.
So for highlight, I'm gonna be using my Maybelline.
Oh,
Concealer
that wasn't even it.
And
That wasn't even it, y'all. We're not even done with the concealer. Okay. This whole video, I'm gonna have to cut out myself talking because I talk way too much when I drink. But bear with me, alright? We're gonna get there.
literally one of the best drugstore concealers in my mind. I'm gonna highlight the bridge of my nose, my forehead.
Oh,
so now I'm just gonna be
whoa. Okay. Give me a second here. Let me catch it. And she says she's about to cream contour, but girl, I'm about to crease. I'm about to crease so bad right now.
I'm gonna be using my good old Wet n Wild contouring stick. I use this almost all the time.
Oh, she does a lot of that. She does. I don't know if we're gonna be able to do all that, but
I'm going to be blending it out with this Morphe G39 brush.
why does it look so much more orange on her and like super red on me? You know? Why? I don't need all that red. If you're wondering why I don't name all my brushes, it's because your girl doesn't really have names on her brushes. I just know this is Eco Tools because I'm a girl on a budget, so you do what you can with what you got, okay?
I'm going to be blending my nose contour with this.
I'm not there yet.
The baking, and I'm just going to be grabbing a generous amount.
Of what? Oh, that's the Cotillard sponge. She used the Cotillard sponge, so I'm gonna go in with the Cotillard sponge. Oh, she really did that.
Here, which you guys totally should because it's just gonna clean up the mess that you did with the cream contour. So now I'm just gonna be grabbing a little bit on this.
I need a minute. I need her to slow down. Now I know why people don't like makeup tutorials anymore, because it's impossible to follow this shit.
To wipe out the excess, I'm just going to...
She set her whole face with this.
Press powder with the same sponge, and I'm going to press powder into my skin. This has helped me out so much. Physician Formula in the shade Bronzer.
Mine is broken.
With my Morphe M402 brush.
I don't have that brush. I don't have half the brushes in this video.
So I'm going to be applying this BH Cosmetics Satin Bronzer in Tropical Tan. You guys know this is one of my favorites.
I don't have that, so I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette because this is the closest thing I got.
You have something very, very nice and it just works, keep using it. Also, if you want your nose to be snatched from...
Oh, we snatching.
Using this Milani Baked Blush. These are one of the best drugstore blushes out there. I'm going to be using the shade 06.
I don't have 06. I have Luminosa.
They do this to your cheekbones. You will see the apples of your cheeks. I'm going to be picking up, obviously, this peachy color right here.
I don't have that palette. I thought we were doing the Morphe palette, so I'm going to just grab it.
But I'm going to be picking up this peach color right here.
I don't have any shades like that, so I'm going to use what I got, okay?
The palette is this one right here.
I'm using the 35O palette, so
I'm going to be applying this
I have...
on my outer V. Is this one right here.
I'm going to use this one right here.
Taking that orange
Yo, this is not at all the same. Don't be judgmental, okay? You know, some of us are not perfect. And me, I'm not perfect, okay?
Morphe 35 of Fame. We're going to be blending two shades. This one and the orange
These
one.
two.
Different brush, like a more like flatter brush, kind of like this. Kind of like that. You see that? Flat shader brush, that's what you call them. You want to go in now with a darker shade. So pretty much this one right here in the middle. And I'm going to do the same exact thing. Okay, so now I'm going to be grabbing this dark shade in the palette right here. Same brush. And doing the same thing again.
They started out okay, but girl, it got wrong. It got so wrong so quick. Y'all, this is not how I wanted this to go.
A more darker shade, and I think
No more darker.
Darkest. This is pretty much the last eyeshadow that we're going to be using on our eyes. I'm adding my lid shade, and I'm so excited because I'm going to be using this
Y'all,
Morphe
pray for me,
eyeshadow,
okay?
this pigment eyeshadow. I've been dying to try these in a look. They look like this.
I don't have those, but I have a similar shade
From
from my Morphe 35F. I'm gonna use this
I'm
one.
going to be spritzing a little bit of this Wet n Wild.
It's a struggle. It's a struggle in these streets. This is not how I wanted this to go. It's okay. It's 2018. Fuck it, right? I need another shot.
So right here, just taking the shade in the palette.
Yo, I look so stupid right now. It's okay.
And I'm just going to be adding a coat of this L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara.
I don't have that. I got this.
And this one is the
Oh, she already got her lashes. Intermission. I'm gonna put my lashes on.
This one is the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil Crayon. And then this one is the Pixie by Petra. And it's brown. It's actually for the brows, but I'm going to see if I can use it for lower lash.
I don't have
I
that.
think I'm going to go with the NYX. I'm going to be doing my highlight. It's the e.l.f. liquid highlighter.
Again, I don't have that. I have Iconic London, so I'm gonna apply that with my fingers like she did.
Of course, I can never go wrong with my Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlight Powder and Precious Petals. So
Yes,
today I'm
I
going to be using
love
this Morphe M510 brush. Just going to swirl. I also wanted to see if this NYX one would work. It was way too red. I wanted something more like orangey.
I don't have
red.
anything orange.
I went through my whole entire collection of lipsticks.
This is not the one. Pause.
Makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Make sure to click that subscribe.
Honestly, this lip just is not doing it for me. I'm not her. I'm gonna take a nude. 'Cause, we're just gonna throw this gloss on. This is how this look turned out. Not at all the same, not even close, but your girl tried and your girl did her best. So hit that thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.